Good morning, students of class 4. I hope you all are safe at home. Students, today's your maths class and I'm your teacher, Vandana Chabra is going to teach you your favorite chapter, chapter number 11, money. So, let's get started. Students, it's your important points. The money used in a particular country is called its currency. Indian currency is rupees. You can it's denoted by rupees. It is a symbol of rupees and paise for P. 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and rupees 78 decimal 50 is written as 78 rupees 50 paise or 78 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, you can write like this. Now it's your recall exercise. Express each of the following amounts in figures. You have to put the sign of rupees or you can write here 1 rupee 90 paisa, 75 paise, 100 rupees and 25 paise, 100 you have to write in a figure and rupees 25 paise, 18 rupees and 80 paise. Now it's your 270 rupees 65 paise, 79 rupees 35 paise. Okay, got it? These are your money in terms of rupees and paise. Now, students, it's your question number 2. Express each of the following amounts in words. Students, these are in the form of rupees and coins. You have to, rupees and paise, you have to write in, yes, in words. So, 83 rupees and 50 paise, 90 rupees 50 paise. Look at the spelling. Okay. And now 64 rupees 75 paise. Remaining, these are the remaining questions. So just take out your notebook and do these right amounts in words. Okay. Yes. Now students, it's your very important worksheet. 11.1, convert the following into paise. So student, this is your number A, 35 decimal 28 in this rupees form and in this paise form. So you have to do the multiplication of 100 because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So you have to write here rupee 1 rupee and 100 paisa is equal to 100 paisa. So write here your rule or you can say it is your formula. So you have to convert the following. So write your answer 7,612 paise, 8,202 paisa, 1,647 paise and P for paise. Okay. Now 709 paise, 1,005 paise, 2,000 paise and 7,722 paise. It's your after conversion. Okay, now come to this, convert the following into rupees. You have to convert into rupees, then you have to do the divide by 100. 981 is your paise and you have to convert into rupees, so you have to do the divide by 100. Okay, so you will get your answer. Your answer is 9 rupees. So right here students, 9 rupees, and it means you have to put the sign of rupees here and then after write 9 and 81 paise. Okay, got it? Yes, it's very easy. Now students, these are your at the following. You have to divide the portion of rupees and paise and your answer is 505 rupees 8 paisa. And in the second question, your answer is 4,255 rupees 5 paisa. And in this question third, you will get the answer 10,863 rupees and 2 paisa. Now do these sums in your notebook and your second question is subtract the following. You have to do the subtraction from this number. It's your bigger number and it's your smaller number. You will get the answer 4,392 rupees 85 paise. And in this you have to choose the bigger one first and write in a proper column rupees and paise, and answer is 71 rupees 95 paise. Now students, come to this third question. From the sum of rupees 2,415 and 3,640 25 paise. It's your rupees. 3,640 rupees and 25 paise. You have to add both the numbers, both the amount. Then after you have to do the subtraction from that number. It's your 895 rupees and 75 paise. So you will get the answer. 5,195 is your rupees and 5 is your paisa. Okay. It's very easy. So do this sums fourth number in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Now students, it's your exercise 11.3. So multiply the following. You all know the answers and you all know how to do the multiplication. But you have to follow this. You have to remember this point that you have to put the decimal to divide the rupees and paise. So you will get the answer 1,821 rupees 2 paisa. And in this B question, 2,155 rupees 56 paisa. Note it down your answer. Note it down and do the practice of these sums and match your answer with me. Okay. Now 3,736 rupees 32 paise and 4,283 rupees 23 paisa. Now in this second question, divide the following. You have to do the divide by 14. So you will get 66 rupees 32 paise. In this second one, 1,109 rupees 45 paise. Okay, divide by 5. Divide by 15, you will get 49 rupees 22 paise. And in this, you have to divide by 9. So you will get the answer 1,024 rupees 88 paise. So students, these are your remaining questions. So you have to do it in your notebook and do the practice of these sums. Okay? Yes. Now students, it's your 11.4 exercise related to your word problems. So students, let's talk about a skirt for 558 rupees 50 paisa and a pair of shoes for rupees 1,325 rupees 25 paisa. How much money did she spend in all? You have to do the format of rupees and paise, then add both the numbers. You will get the answer 1,908 rupees 75 paise. Okay, got it? Yes. Now students, it's your question number 2. Manoj spends rupees 785 on train fare, 245 rupees 50 paisa in buying gifts and 520 rupees 50 paisa in buying a sweater. What is his total spending? You have to add 3 numbers. Okay, so you will get the answer 1,559 rupees. Now, Sakshi bought apples for rupees 128 rupees 50 paisa, oranges for rupees 78 rupees 50 paisa, and grapes for rupees 210 rupees 75 paisa. If she had rupees 900 initially, how much money is left with her? You have to add both 3 numbers and then after you have to do the subtraction from number 900. Okay. Now, fourth question, if 1 kilogram mangoes cost rupees 85, then find the cost of 12 kilogram mangoes. You have to do the multiplication here. 85 multiplied by 12. You will get the answer 120 rupees. The cost of 12 mangoes are 120 rupees. Now, fifth question, 5 friends bought a gift for rupees 1,375 50 paisa. How much did each person contribute? You have to divide in this question by 5. So you will get the answer 275 rupees 1 paisa. Each person contribute 275 rupees 1 paisa. Okay. Now students, it's very interesting word problem. So just do it in your notebook and do the 6 sums in your notebook by yourself. Student, this chapter is fully completed now and we will start our new chapter in our new class. That is your chapter number 12. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.